Hi guys, so today we're going to be putting some crimping on some ends on these cables here to finish these up. I've already done ones you can see here, but just to get the inverter connected up here to the new battery bank I have back there. So sorry about the mess, but let's get started here. I'll show you how I do this. So first thing gonna need here is some crimp-on cables, or just copper lugs, and these are 5/16 hole by 1/0 gauge wire, which is what we have here. So we need those. Possibly need some cable cutters, but I think these are already cut to length, so I doubt I'm gonna need that. Heat shrink, and I prefer to use just a utility knife to cut the ends off, so that works well. Then of course, use a hydraulic crimper. This one's from Harbor Freight. This one's worked well. I've actually had 2 or 3 different types, but this one's worked really well for me. So we got a lug cut out of the package here. You see this particular pack I buy. This is a pack of 10. Come with the different heat shrink. Oh, so that's nice. How I like to do it is I just like to hold the lug up there and kind of judge. I like to get the cable in the lug as far as I can, so I kind of put my thumb there and can see that. Just strip off right about there where the C is in cable, if you can see that. Take my utility knife and score this best I can. Try and be gentle so I don't cut the copper. Usually this breaks pretty easy, you can see. That's a little bit longer and I like it, but I think I can push that in there. And then I like to insert into my crimping tool here like so. I'll do 2 crimps on this, so I'll push this lug in as far as possible into the crimp tool here up to the jaws. So we'll get it crimped, held in place before I insert my cable. To have it flat. Obviously you can orient these however you need for your purposes. Now this one, since this is going on the back of the inverter, this lug will be connected to the inverter like that, and this can be on the battery bank. So I'm gonna try and orient it about 45-degree turn from this one. Insert our cable there. Such, turn it, push it in as far as I can. Crimp her down. You can see it's crimped all the way in. Release it. There's our crimp, and then I'll do another one on the top portion of this. See, it's secure in place as I want it. Crimper down. And there we go. It's pretty nice tight crimp. Like I said, I wish I'd have maybe not stripped off so much wire, but that'll be fine. And last thing to do would be to put some heat shrink on this. Get the heat gun. It's starting to shrink now. There we go. This cable's complete and ready to hook up to my inverter. Alrighty. Okay, so now we have this positive cable to do, and so have a shunt connection. I need to do that cable end as well. So again, we take our lug. So just want to show the draw, if we can see that. It is a 1/0 or 0 gauge or 1/0, however you say that. Set of jaws in there. So again, just hold my lug up here and kind of judge that. Maybe not cut it as short as I did the last one, so not quite so long. Score my insulation. Hopefully don't cut my finger off. There's that. Test fit here. Yeah, that's a little better. Again, try and orient this how it's going to be in the battery. So about 45 degrees out. That ought to work right there. Put the crimper here. Yeah, actually, tighten her down first in the crimper before I put the cable in. Okay, insert my wire, push it in there as firmly as I can, hold on, and crimper down. And that looks good. There we go. Sorry about the lighting, I'm outside here and getting some weird glow from the sun. Hazy, smoky day. Let's do our second crimp up a little higher here. There we go. Some heat shrink. shotgun here. There we go. I think these lug packets, you get them from Amazon. They're about, I think, $12 for pack of 10. A little on the expensive side, but you know, I think it really turns out nice. So there we go, another cable made, and hopefully I'll be able to get this connected up to my new battery bank here soon and test it out. Thanks for watching.